Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Last week I went to New York City to attend Illenium's concert. As you can see, I also got his jersey. On the back it says Illenium. So for today's Get Ready With Me, I wanted to recreate the look I did for his concert. I applied like face jam and I really like the look, so I wanted to share with you guys. So let's get started. Okay, it's hot, so I'm gonna take this off. Let's start with the base. I have been using the BB cream by Hamish a lot recently and I really like it. I like the coverage that it gives. I like the texture. It really does an amazing job evening out my skin tone, and it doesn't look cakey. It's just a really good BB cream, really good foundation. I've been really enjoying it. Yeah, so I went to the Illenium concert and I had so much fun. Before he went on stage, there were 3 other artists that opened for him. Oh my god, I forgot who they were. So the 3 artists that opened for him were Annika Wells, William Black, and Sudden Death. To be honest, I don't know anything about the artists till like I was told that they were opening. But I thought Annika Wells was really cute. Like her songs and like the way she sings and her personality were like very bubbly and cute. I also liked William Black. I thought I vibed with his songs, you know? Is it his songs? Do I say his songs or his set? I think I say his set. Sudden Death play like dubstep, and is it called screamo or scream? I don't know the exact word, but I don't think his set was my cup of tea. A lot of people did vibe with it, and like I'm not saying like he was bad or anything, but I just personally didn't enjoy his set. But if that's your vibe, like I respect it. I don't think that it's bad. But it was a really good experience. Like I would have never experienced a set like his. And then Illenium came on and it was just so good. His opening, he played all of the songs that I wanted him to play except for like one song. But it wasn't his trilogy concert, so he didn't play like his old songs. He only played like most of his new songs. But overall, it was really good. It was really fun. I was told that he's coming to LA next year, so my husband and I are definitely going to be going to that concert. I'm gonna quickly do my brows. So in general, I had a really good time in New York City. I understand why like people love that city, and I understand what they mean by the culture, the people, the ambiance, the vibe. Like I understand it, like I get it now. And it was like at a point where even though I was there for 3 days, I was like, oh my god, like I could really see myself living here. I was talking to my husband, I was like, oh, maybe we should move here because there's so many things to do, so many places to go, so many places to eat, and it's like convenient to get to places because you just ride the subway. And I was like really excited. I was like, oh my god, this place is awesome. And then at nighttime I saw the garbage on the street, because I think that's like where they put the garbage for the sanitary people to come pick it up. I saw so many rats on the street. So after that experience, I was like, maybe not. Maybe New York isn't my city. I just can't do rats. And they weren't even like normal size rats. They were like huge. I'm gonna move on to the eyes. For the whole trip, I only used this palette. This is the Clio Pro Eye Palette, number 12, Autumn Breeze in Soul Forest. I really like this palette. I like the neutrals, I like the shimmer, I like the glitter. I use this glitter a lot actually, so I really like this palette. That is why I took it. But let's start. First, I'm going to take this color. I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyes. Also putting it on my lower lash line and on my aegyo side, my eye fat. Next, I'm gonna take this color right here. I'm going to apply this on the outer half of my eyes. I'm also going to bring it to my crease and then the lower lash line. Lastly, I take this dark color and then I just deepen the look. And if you notice, I only used one brush. I just like using this brush. I think this brush literally does everything that needs to be done. It blends, it picks up a lot of products, so the colors are very pigmented, and it also fits my eye shape really well. So I really like this brush. This is just a brush I got from Innisfree. It's called Medium Eyeshadow Brush. I don't know if you watched my Get Ready With Me where I talked about my uneven eyes, and you could see right now of what I mean when I say uneven eyes. Like I woke up with a different eye. It's usually this side, like this side doesn't change. I don't know why, but it's always this side. And you could see that my double eyelid is looking a lot thicker. And the side used to look like this, and now it looks like this. It like created like another crease or something. I don't know what's going on. And I know that there's a lot of Asian women that goes through what I go through, where they wake up with different eyes. I think that's why double eyelid surgery is very common in Asia. Next, I'm gonna take this color with my finger, and then I'm just going to tap it on the inner half of my eyes. So next, I'm gonna take this glitter, and I'm only going to apply it like up here, like this. I'm gonna use a brown eyeshadow to line my eyes and create a wing, and then go over it with my liquid. I'm done with my eyes. Now I'm gonna put on the face gem. I got this on Amazon. It has different colors and 3 different sizes. I'm gonna be using the little ones. I tried to save some of the ones that were on my face from the concert, and I'm gonna be using that. And what I'm gonna do is apply it across my nose, and apply one right here and one right at the end of my eyeliner. I realized I need to contour my nose before I do this. Okay, so I put 5 little ones, and I put a medium-sized one at the end. So this is the face gem that I did. This is so nice. I don't know, it's so fun. Like, face gem, it's just so fun. I wish I could put it all over my face. So I'm gonna do the Holy Trinity, which is contour, blush, and highlight. For my lips, I'm just gonna keep it very neutral because I don't want it to overpower the look. Going with just a nudie pink. And to complete the look, I'm just gonna go pop on my contact lenses. So for those who are wondering what contact lenses I'm wearing this. They just came out with this one and it looks pretty natural, but like better, you know? My eyes, but better. It's called Bittersweet. They just came out. So if you're looking for something natural, but better, you should check these out. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me in this get ready with me. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Comment below your favorite artist or concert you're going to this summer, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.